Hey, it's Julia.
And Madison.
And we're going to have a burping competition because we bought Sprite and we were having one, then we decided to record it. So,
Actually, we were going to do the Sprite and banana challenge, but
yeah.
we weren't allowed to eat bananas, so.
Yeah. So, ready?
Oh my gosh! I can't be the only one burping on here.
That helps when you laugh. That helps me laugh. I keep burping.
Just drink it for a while. No, keep going.
I'm trying to fix it. I can't back up.
Right? It sounds like you burped it and then like get down the burp. It's like burp. I don't want to burp. That's what it does.
It's weird.
I feel a big one coming for you. It's like at the pit of my stomach right now.
I'm trying to come off.
We have to finish this.
Oh, mine's like a bee.
I felt the big one come up. You gotta drink like big sips of it, like.
That was lame.
I was going to, it got like stuck. I was like. Funny thing is, we're posting on Facebook.
Not long for that little one. It was funny, I beat my dad at a burping competition once. I was 8. looks like this is it's like a chug. You look like a baby. And how sorry just do like with it?
I wasn't actually drinking it. It's stuck.
That's starting to hurt now. Can't we just burp this whole pot? I look so pale. Really?
My stomach hurts.
Mine too.
We have to finish it.
Yep. I am more finished than you. It's funny, I started out with more.
I have bigger burps than you. Okay, so far I had a really long, low one, like.
That was one. I had like
and then I had
10.
Remember that one? I was like, what? And I was like, and then the one I just had. I taste the stew coming up.
What stew? We had soup.
Soup, whatever, there's a difference. I just peeked on that one.
I peed most of the time. You can hear me swallowing.
We're probably gonna puke.
They didn't have bananas. Well, if we were upstairs, there's like 8 banana.
I would die. Well, if I'm fixing my damage movie.
That was nice.
It didn't come out!
Open your mouth.
Well, he says girls don't burp.
See, I would just burp. The whole thing is burp. These are like normal, like little small ones.
These are liters? No.
Yeah, 1 liter.
1 liter.
We both chugged a liter.
A liter. Oh my gosh. We are going to have bubbles in our stomach tomorrow.
I'm still gonna be burping.
I know. Well, girls can burp. Woo!
So, rate who burped better.
I think it's her.
Probably.
That makes me more girly.
It's called being raised with 2 older brothers.
I have 2 little brothers.
I weren't born until you were like 8.
I was actually 11.
Oh, see? Okay, but yeah. Bye!